All right, here we want to find the missing sides. We got two different triangles here, so we got to really make sure that we think about what triangle we're working in and what the ratios of those sides are. So the first triangle that we're going to work in is up here because we're given the 6. So we're going to work in this triangle up top. That's a 30, 60, 90. And that's going to have side ratios of 1 to root 3 to 2. So here's my 30-degree angle. The side that's opposite, I got to take this 6 and figure out how do I get from a 30 to the side that's opposite. So I'm going to call this A. If I take A, multiply it by root 3, that gets me to the side that's opposite of the 60-degree angle, or in other words, 6. So for A, so divided by root 3, I get 6 over root 3. And again, don't rationalize in the middle of a problem. The reason we don't do that is because it may simplify a little bit down the road and make life easier. And now you've done work that you didn't need to do in the first place. So we can leave it like this in the middle of the problem as long as our final answer is rationalized. That's fine. So we've got that expression for A. I now need to take this expression for A, relate it to a side that's shared between the two triangles. So I know if I take this expression up here for A and multiply it by 2, that'll give me the expression for, or the side length that's opposite the 90. So multiply by 2, multiply by 2. That's going to give me this. So B equals 6 times 2 over root 3. B is going to give me 12 over root 3. So I got this expression for this one. And now I'm dealing with the different triangles. So the different triangle that I have now is a 45, 45, 90 triangle that has side ratios of 1 to 1 to root 2. So I use that fact. If I want to take the expression for B and use those side ratios to figure out what x is, well, I know that x is going to be B times root 2. So B happens to be 12 over root 3. I'm going to multiply that by root 2, or root 2 over 1. Here's where I multiply across. So I get 12 root 2 over root 3. And now I got to rationalize. So multiply by root 3 on the top. Kind of running out of room here. And root 3 on the bottom. And I can combine these two up top here. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. So x equals 12 times root 6 in the numerator. And then the denominator is root 3 times root 3, which is just 3. Simplify one step further. My x is equal to 4 root 6. And after all that mess, there's my final answer.